Psalm 138, 8. The Lord will perfect that which concerneth me. Thy mercy, O Lord, endureth forever. Forsake not the works of thine own hands. This verse reminds us that God is actively at work in our lives, completing what He has begun, even when we feel unfinished or uncertain. His mercy is constant and unending. The Bible says His mercy endureth forever, and that should give us confidence that we are never abandoned, that our lives are securely held in His hands. God hasn't abandoned what He started in you. He is actively completing His work in your life.